Hello, I'm really very happy to be able to speak to someone from YouTube. Nothing but respect to you guys. I've been loving YouTube for a very long time, my family and all my friends. We appreciate you guys in every way. I'm calling about a very serious issue. Well, my problem is that I'm literally like a subscriber, and I'm with you guys, and I got my app on my phone, and I use it, and I do my little videos. And recently, basically this, especially this year and last year, I've been unfortunately having been put in a position in my town in the state that I'm at, California, Riverside. I've been dealing with some criminal activity by locals in the town, and I've been capturing it for my own evidence, and I've been recording these crimes that happen to me, and it's getting quite huge. Like almost every single video that I have is a criminal act of people committing a crime against me, whether if it's attacking me or threatening to run me over or attempted murder with a vehicle. It's getting really out of control, and I'm not able to find any type of reassurance, unfortunately, with the police officers in my town. They're being biased to helping me in any type of way. And I'm African American, and I'm not knowing why I'm not getting any type of input or feedback from YouTube, wondering why do I have these criminal acts building up on their you know what I mean? Yeah, Antoine McKnight. That's my real name. No, not premium, just YouTube. Yeah, I guess it's YouTube TV here. Let me make sure I'm on the right one. Yeah, YouTube Premium. It is YouTube Premium, and I'm gonna tell you what my account is. Okay, cool. Thank you. Well, what would you break it down to, Jim? I've got a lot of crimes that I've been posting on you guys on YouTube, and I'm wondering why it is that I'm not getting the views that I would expect everybody else to get. You took just as long as it took me to say that. No, I mean, you had a whole story behind it. You're just judging me no matter what I do, but I'm not doing that to you. Why are you getting mad at me? You get mad at me no matter what. No, I didn't do that. I didn't get loud. I didn't take nothing the wrong way. I don't want to be arguing when they come on, Jimmy. Please. Thank you. I appreciate it.